Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I still am looking at this as the same as I have been, which is a 1 and a 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now. Most wave 3s do go to the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which you can't even see on this chart because it's so far up there. So my target on gold, even though this is the monthly time frame and I think it's going to probably take a year or more for it to play out, is still all the way up to about this 2550 area. I still think that on the monthly time frame, eventually it's going to end up looking something like that. So keeping that in mind, because even if you are trading on the shorter time frames, it is very, very important information. Going down to the weekly, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. I think we're in a subdivision of wave 3 right now, which would make this a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and potentially this is just going to keep on going up for a big old wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, this move down on the daily is looking extremely corrective, which tells me even though we suspected it could go down more, I think it might even be more probable that it might just keep on trending up. We do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar, and that is definitely going to affect gold in a big way, so I would definitely keep an eye on this. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I keep saying, I think that it would go down to the 38%. There's a nice rally-based rally over here that you would think would be a very likely area for this to go to. But price is really, really struggling to get beyond this 23%. I think that it's going to go down to this 38%, but like I said, if this really is a wave 3 of wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frame, then this could easily just go up, break structure to the upside, proving that the correction is over, and just keep on trending up literally at any point. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame with all that higher time frame information in mind, I personally would definitely still be looking for shorts. It is definitely still making lower lows, lower highs, and it does seem pretty likely that it could continue to make those lower lows, lower highs, at least down to the 38%. But I would keep a very close eye because if it goes up, if it breaks structure, I think that would tell us that the uptrend is back in. And if you actually look at this, this is definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves right now. It could be like an ending diagonal wave C. It could bounce out to 23%, go up, break structure, proving that the correction is over, and just keep on trending up. So like I said, I would definitely be looking for shorts, but if you see this scenario right here play out, then you definitely want to start looking for longs in an uptrend at that point for sure. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.